Oh, my sisters of mercy, they are not departed or gone. They were waiting for me when I thought that I just can't go on. And they brought me their comfort, and later they brought me their song. Oh, I hope you run into them. You've been traveling so long. Leave everything that you cannot control. It begins with your family, but soon it comes round to your soul. Well, I've been where you're hanging. I think I can see how you not feeling holy, your loneliness says that you've sinned. Now they lay down beside me, I made my confession to them, and they touched both my eyes, and I touched the dew on their hands. If your life is a leaf that the seasons tear off and condemn, they will bind you with love that is graceful and green as a stem. When I left, they were sleeping. I hope you run into them soon. Don't turn on the lights, you can read their address by the moon. And you won't make me jealous if I hear that they sweeten your life. Lovers like that, and besides, it would still be alright. We were lovers like that, and besides,